Hello there and welcome to another SQL video. This video follows on from the previous select statement video, so if you've not watched that video yet, make sure you go back and watch it before watching this video as it builds on from knowledge gained in that video. So once again, you should be able to create simple SQL statements to extract, add and edit data stored in the databases. And today we're going to be looking at filters. Okay, so filters are used to select particular piece of information, are used to look for particular things which are needed, and we can use symbols such as greater than, less than, equal to, as well as greater than or equal to or less than and equal to help you look at different things. So for example, if we're looking at ages, we could look at someone who is older than 29, younger than 29, older or equal to 29, to be able to work out and see the data that we want to look at. Remember, when you're creating select statements, you want to make them as efficient as possible. So if you want to look at for all the people over 29, make sure you use greater than, but if you want to include the people who are 29 as well, it's going to be greater than and or equal to, because otherwise if you use just greater than, you're going to ignore all the people who are 29. So here we have got an SQL statement at the top, select name and age from users, where age is greater than 24. So once again, it's the same table used in the previous videos. We've got ID, name, age, hometown and job as different fields, tables called users. And so when we execute this query, we can see here that there are two people who satisfy whether age is over than 24, Harry and David, and we are looking at their name and at their age. Okay, so for example, we can have a different one. So select name and age from users, where hometown equals Brighton. So you can note here that because we're dealing with text, we've had to put it in quotation marks. That's because SQL wouldn't recognise Brighton as something to be looking for if you took it out, and it would give you different errors. So if you're going to be looking or searching for particular pieces of text, you've always got to use quotation marks. And again, make sure and check your case sensitivity. So if it's going to look for where hometown is going to be lowercase b for Brighton, some database providers will not return things which have got uppercase Brighton. And again, field name here, if we were being strict, you wouldn't really include spaces for different field names, but in this example we have done. So watch out for that. You can separate them by having home underscore town, or you could even start it with a lowercase h for home and then town joined up right next to it with a capital T to look at two different words. So if we execute this, you can see here we've got select name age from users where hometown is Brighton. Again, we're only getting the names and the ages. So in this case, we've got Simon 23, Emma 19, and Simon 23 again. At the moment, we've just been looking at getting information from different records, but you can do select name, age, hometown, job from users where ID equals 2. At which point that would get all of Harry's information. So Harry 27, London, office manager. And again, if you did select star from users where ID equals 1, that's another easy way to retrieve everyone's information. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Feel free to like, comment and subscribe. And if you've got any questions you need to ask me, feel free to fire away below. Thanks a lot for listening.